Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from video in Capcut. So if you're tired of seeing the Capcut watermark at the end of your video, in this video I'll show you exactly how you can remove the watermark in just a few taps, both on mobile and PC. And here is how. If you want to remove the Capcut ending watermark clip, so this is the Capcut ending screen that auto adds when you export a template or a new video. Here, let's say I'm going to just create a new project, and in here let's add. So by default, at the end of your timeline there will be this there will be this ending watermark from Capcut. This one's right here says ending, and if you want to remove it, you can just tap on the last clip in here, and here click on the trace icon at the bottom, and it will be removed from your video. But if you want to remove it completely, you need to close your project first and then go to your profiles on CapCut, go to settings by clicking on this gear icon at the top, and turn off this at default ending settings. Click on that, click on discard, and whenever you open a new project now, there will be no ending, just like before. Second one, if you want to remove watermark from the template edits, because sometimes when you use CapCut templates it adds watermark automatically. So here I'm going to show you. Let's see, I use the templates here. Let's use this one for example. Okay, I'm going to just use photos. Let's say okay, you can tap on next, and you'll be previewing your result. And as you guys can see at the top, there will be this CapCut watermark attached on the video, and here you can just tap on export after previewing. And as you guys can see, there will be these options to export without watermark with TikTok icon on it. So you can just choose this one, and once the video done exporting, you will be directed into TikTok if you have one. But if you don't have a TikTok account or apps, then you will be directed to the Play Store. But you can always if you don't want to upload it to TikTok, you can always just click on the back button on your phone, and your video won't be uploaded to TikTok. So you can just go back here. I'm going to just click on back, and that's it. If you want to remove CapCut watermark in PC, you can just open CapCut in desktop and edit your videos. Make sure you don't add the CapCut ending manually, and during export you can just name your file and hit on export. And there you go, your video is watermark free and ready to post on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and comment below if you want a guide on templates or pro features. And also don't forget to click on thanks. Bye!